welcome back to Jagadamba Pearls. So today I am going to show you the wedding collection which we have inspired from the Indian weddings, which we call it as Wedspirations. Hi everyone, so today I am going to show you beautiful gold neck set. So you can see this is uniquely carved and the neck chain design is completely unique and stylish, and it is accompanied with the pearl droplets, and it is with ruby stone and also the emerald stone. And this is a pendant which is Ram Parivar pendant, where it's an Ram pendant, it's an embossed Ram pendant, and you can see the beautiful carving over here, the flower and also the pearl droplets. Coming to its gold weight,
and the gold weight is carrying 33.73 grams. Ruby emerald weight is 8.22 carats, and the South Sea pearls are 38.02 carats. It's in 22 carat gold with hallmark.
and coming to this beautiful neck set, and you can see this is completely unique and trendy. Here you can see the Nakshi balls and the pearl balls, which is in a chain model, and here you can see completely the gold ball model, and it is in layers. And here it's a beautiful trending and yet stylish and completely unique and festive model and a traditional wedding model pendant set. You can see it is completely with the pearl design, and also the rubies and emeralds are here. And you can see the beautiful design.
Mosaics.
The mosaics are also beautifully carved in this beautiful pendant set. Coming to its gold weight, it is
The weight of the gold is 58.74 grams, and the mosaics, which looks like an uncut diamonds, it's carrying 6.66 carats, and ruby emeralds are 2 carats. 104.74 carats are the South Sea. It's all are natural South Sea with halo Nakshi balls and with a Nakshi work locket.
So here you can see it's a beautiful Chand Bali model pendant, and it's with pearl droplets. And here you can see it's a beautiful peacock embossed antique set, and also the Lakshmi coin model is here with beautiful rubies and emeralds with the pearl droplets. These are the small pearl droplets, and the chain is uniquely designed. And coming to its gold weight is,
And the gold weight in this 50.87 grams, and the ruby emeralds are 21.22 carats, and the South Sea pearls, that seed pearls and South Sea pearls includes 21.64 carats, and this also in 22 carat gold with the Nakshi work and very lightweight. It looks like a 50 grams necklace, 100 grams necklace, but it's carrying 51 grams.
and all these are uniquely designed for this wedding season, and you can see completely unique designs and also the lightweight models, so which looks completely heavy, but on your pockets it is completely light. And you can see this is a unique design again, it's an antique design. And here you can see a pure emerald stone, and the design is also completely unique. And this is specially designed for this wedding season for the brides or for the bride's groom's family. So anyone can wear this on any occasion for this weddings or receptions or night parties. And this is perfect for the traditional wear, and also you can pair it with a western wear as well. And coming to its gold weight,
In this gold weight is 53.36 grams, and the emeralds weights, it's carrying 38 carats, and it's also in 22 carat gold with a simple back chain. You can add a dory, or if you want to increase length as per your requirement, you can increase the length also.
for watching the video. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get more updates and more notifications about our everyday videos. And if you like our jewelry, if you want to step into our jewelry store, then you can check out the description to check out our locations, and you can visit the store, or you can also buy on the online. So there is a Jagadamba Pearls website which is mentioned in the description, or you can go to the Instagram page to check out our latest collections. Thank you so much for watching.